when it rain, when it rain, regular pain, rich pain. I can't wait to grab a double umbrella when it rain. This regular pain finna turn into rich pain. I don't really give a fuck about none of this shit, nigga. You can have the views, you can have the followers, you can have the likes, you can have the comments, you can have the baddest bitch, you can be the savage chick. I don't really give no fuck, nigga. What you know about all this pain? Said I can't wait to grab a double umbrella in the rain. This regular pain gon' turn into rich pain. Can't leave my dog walking in no fucking rain. It's so funny how family say they love you and they change. Ain't nothing gon' change on me but my pockets, nigga. But money ain't gon' cover up no pain. It's gon' bring more pain. Dedicated to this rap shit. I ain't going back to jail and I ain't selling no crack dick. I'ma sell this music. I'ma sell this music the much as I can do it. What you know about feeling like you just finna lose it. Look myself up in the mirror, I tell myself that I'm gon' do this. Nothing to no one but your engine. I can't wait to grab a double umbrella in the rain. This regular pain gon' turn into rich pain. Can't leave my dog walking in no motherfucking rain. I ain't doing this for no fame, I ain't doing this for no name, nigga. I pray to God for this shit. I pray to God that my homies stop hitting licks. I pray to God we all get rich. I pray for everybody in this bitch. I don't wanna see nobody dead or locked up on some dumb shit. I'm steady getting to the mic. I don't go to church, but God know my head right. Them demons in my body try to keep me in here late at night. I done lost a lot of people that I love. Back and forth in my feelings when I'm trying to show love. And I can't wait to grab a double umbrella when it rain. This regular pain gon' turn into rich pain. I can't have my fucking dog walking in no fucking rain. They say family got your back, but family be acting strange. I can't wait to grab a double umbrella when it rain. This regular pain gon' turn into rich pain. What you know about going through so much pain? This regular pain gon' turn into rich pain. Regular pain, rich pain. Shit, it's all the same. Regular pain, rich pain. It's all the same. I can't wait to grab a double umbrella when it rain. This regular pain gon' turn into rich pain. No more free my uncle acting fucking chain. R.I.P. my papa, it ain't been the same.